In order to share a file through Netcat utility, I'll demonstrate a very simple technique or simple method. For that purpose, we need to keep two machines on the server client model. One machine should be server and other one should be as a client. There is a simple technique or method that we can use. First of all, on if I want to make my this Ubuntu machine as a server, I will just create a first file here, typing echo, and then in between these quotes I will provide the content of the file, like connection successful and whatever you like to put in the file, and then I'll just give this greater than sign, and here I'll give the name of the file, whatever name you think is good, suit yourself, and I will assign the name like file share.txt and hit enter. So you can see here on my desktop this file has been created, and in order to check the content I would type here file share.txt and it says successful as I just wrote it over here, right? So now let's see how to share the file through Netcat. Provide nc here as a command, and then keep the flags lnvp, L for listening, N for no resolution, V for verbose, P for port, and then provide the command port number. Now the important thing to share the file here begins is that you provide less than sign when you are keeping your machine on the server. So you have to keep this arrangement, keep the less than sign, and then provide your file's name, like we assign the name fileshare.txt and hit enter. So now we have put this file on sharing mode through this server. Let's go out, and here on the other machine we'll use Netcat, and now we provide the flags nv, only nv, and then provide the server IP 192.168.142.129. that's what I have already sorted out, and provide the port number. We assign the port number 6800, and then here we will assign the greater than sign, because on the server side we provide the less than sign, on the client side we provide the greater than sign, and then whatever the name we will put here, it will fetch the file with that name and save on a PC. So I'm providing same name like fileshare.txt, and I'll hit enter. So now we can see the connection has been established. To confirm or to locate the file that we received from the outside, we have to go to the file location. Alright, and here if I go out I can see here's my file share, and here is the content connection successful. That's the very content, or that's the text we wrote in the file while we created it. So I think that's all for today. Hopefully you liked the video. Please comment on this video, hit like and subscribe. That's all for today. Thank you.